How's it going? What's up and what's happening? Blessed beautiful souls. Kiara Ducasse here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Every day in every way, getting excited and more excited to be here with you every day. So thanks for being here, my special and blessed community. Come on, guys, let's pump up this channel. Let's get us to the 500 mark. We are almost there. I'm super excited. We just have 44 more followers to get there. Come on, if you're watching this channel and you have not yet subscribed, smash that subscribe button. So that we can make sure that the community continues to grow here together. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much. So guys, as you can see, it is growing. We are doing well. We've got some cool videos that we've been launching. So this is a part 1 of 3 series where you turn $100 into $1,390. Then this one is how you turn, so this is selling at the all-time highs. This is waiting to go a little bit higher to a specific target for each of them, and you can turn $100 into 10K. And then the third part video will be how you turn that same $100 into 197K. So if you guys think it's impossible, well, it's not. With crypto, anything is possible. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. This channel is here to show you the blessings of the community. So guys, I did a video for you yesterday about gold and crypto pumping. We were thumping. I got into a whole bunch of trades yesterday and into the evening that have now broken out, and I will let you know what those trades are. Did I post it on my TikTok? No, sorry, I must have passed out by that time. I was exhausted yesterday. I had phenomenal meetings yesterday, and today I'm doing some cool smoothie demonstrations. But guys, there's something that I wanted to share with you. So traveling yesterday. I don't like to say driving. I was traveling yesterday around my town. And basically, when I was doing this, I essentially got to the point where I had a variety of thoughts around how to improve and make better funds and financing in crypto. And basically what I'd seen is that you can basically make more and more Bitcoin and more Ethereum by taking profits from Bitcoin into Ethereum, into altcoins, into NFTs, and then back into Bitcoin. Okay, so there's cycles, and all of these things behave on cycles. So just like you have autumn, summer, winter, spring, the same thing is applying here, where you actually have cycles in crypto. And sometimes the cycles can be smaller, and sometimes the cycles can be longer, shorter and longer. So, with that, I would like to show you a variety of information in a couple of videos. So stay tuned and hit that notification bell, because I'm going to show you exactly how to start making more and more Bitcoin and crypto. And essentially, you don't need to take your money back out into fiat. These assets that you're buying in crypto essentially are adding to your net value, your net worth. Okay, so it's the same thing like holding a property. If you bought a property for $1 million and it goes up to 2 million, your net worth is now 2 million from $1 million. So you've gained $1 million in your net worth. So the same thing happens in crypto. So you can use this to make very awesome and passive gains. So there's multiple ways to make gains in crypto. And there's spot trading, there's leverage trading, there's futures trading, there's staking, earning, passive staking, etc. So there's multiple ways to make money in crypto. So it depends on what you want to focus on. And, I can share these strategies and I can do some specific videos for you guys. Maybe you would like a live trading strategy session, or you would prefer to do something that's a little bit more simple in terms of just spot, take some profits at a specific point. So long-term investing versus trading. So let me know in the comments down below what it is that you would like me to do, or if you would like me to do both for you, so that you can see the difference between them. Because there is a slight difference. The one will obviously have give you a little bit more anxiety, but that's only if you don't know what you're doing and if you don't actually learn how to put stop losses and take profits. Because when you put stop losses and take profits, it literally, you could be on the toilet, you could be sliding down a slide into the swimming pool, you could be doing a jump out the aeroplane, you could be having lunch with your family. Anything could happen, and the market could have an extreme volatility move. And this is very important for us to know in the market. So put a stop loss and a take profit. You never risk more than you can afford to lose. Okay, so first things first. Bitcoin, we are now sitting at $1.234 trillion in the market cap. We're sitting at just under 48 trillion. We're down 1.3%. We're under the 44% mark, but I'm going to show you something about there. We're probably going to drop down a little bit more, maybe to about the 43, 42.5 before we make some retracement back up to the 48 level. I reckon 47, 48 level. You see, every time Bitcoin goes down, we get more coins that come in. Every time Bitcoin remains stable, more coins come into the space. So very interesting. So Bitcoin is down 2.1% for the day. It's currently sitting at 27,945. Ethereum at 1879 is still holding that 1800 level, which I love. BNB is at 311. XRP is at 49 cents. Cardano at 38 cents. Dogecoin at 9 cents. Polygon at $1.12. Solana at $20.64. Polkadot 631. Litecoin at 91.03. Shiba Inu at 1100. Avalanche at 1776. Uniswap at 618. Chainlink at 725. Amazing, guys. Today, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, and this is, I like the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, but unfortunately, it is lagged. It's almost got like a 12 to 24 hour lag, okay, is what I've noticed. I don't know if you guys have noticed it. If you have, let me know down in the comments below, because this matters a lot, but it also doesn't matter, okay, because today we're sitting at 63. Last week we were sitting at 60. So the greed is going higher again. And then, of course, here's our crypto bubbles. Wow, Trust Wallet token is pumping. Trust Wallet. Well done to Trust Wallet. I love Trust Wallet, man. I use it all the time. So you can see there's a bit of a mix between red and green in the market today. And guys, as I always say, when the market's in the red, dollar cost average, get some more of these tokens. Invest in these tokens that you're waiting to buy, okay? Because eventually when they pump 30%, you're going to want to take some profits, right? 30% is more than you will get in most places. So let's go and have a look at the dollar chart to start, because the dollar chart is reversing. Guys, I do know how to say this, because yesterday in my video here and here, I said the dollar was collapsing. I said it had broke my key support level. Where did I say that? I said that from here already. I mean, I've been speaking about it for some time. So go and check out my videos. The 4-hour time frame is telling us we've got a cross happening here on the RSI. We're under the 20 moving average, and the move that I said we would drop here and we would pull back up at the very least to the blue line. So we haven't even pulled up to the blue line yet, and it seems as though we're hitting some heavy resistance. Why? Because there was resistance there and resistance there. So essentially this is going to probably come back further down, and we're going to close the week looking like this. Now, if we go look at the daily time frame, the daily has broken my blue line of support, with now it's closed 2-3 candles underneath this line. So yes, on the daily time frame, it looks like it wants to pull back up, but I don't think we'll get there, guys. I think right now we're on the way down for the dollar. So today we of course have news, and in fact, let's go and look at Market Watch. Okay. So guys, and I'll show you something else there. If you're using Brave and you get Brave rewards, you get paid for using the browser. Okay, and you get paid in BAT. So because this is a new laptop, I haven't made very much, and you can see I haven't been on it like terribly much, but 1 to 30th of April, that's how much I've made, and that's how much I've accumulated. 11 cents. It's not a lot, but it's still free money, right? For just browsing and using the website. I mean, the browser. So today is Thursday. We have initial jobless claims, guys. Today we will see heavy volatility in the market, and this will either send the market down or up. And we're going to have a look at what's going to happen. Okay. But for now, we're waiting for the initial jobless claims and the continuing jobless claims. But the initial jobless claims is what we're looking for. And essentially, we should have non-farm payrolls tomorrow. And tomorrow is obviously Easter Friday. So that's very interesting that the market is open, but it is. So 238 is what we're looking for, which is drastically lower than what the previous was. So very, very interesting. let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin chart, because the Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour, we've had another buy signal here. We've broken this line. So we had a bump up here, then we hit resistance, and we bumped straight back down to my medium level of support. And then here's my bottom level of support. Okay, so the chart is really looking healthy to a degree where it is actually saying, well, look, I am strong and I want to go up. And as you can see on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, we are pretty much looking very, very healthy and happy for the direction forward. So sorry, I just had to reload that page. It seemed like it was a little stuck. So here's the 4 hours. And as you can see, actually on the 4 hours, we've had a heavy sell signal here. So we could actually pull back down even to this level right here, 27,000. But as you can see, we're coming back to reset the RSI, which means that there will be a trade coming, because essentially you're looking for a trade here. So you sell here and you buy here. Okay, so you see that you buy here and you sell there. You buy there and you sell there. Okay, although we didn't get above, so you would probably have sold here, which is the same level. And now you're going to buy there again. So guys, there is good money to be made in crypto, but you have to be patient and you have to find what's the best time frame for you to trade on. Bitcoin dominance has absolutely collapsed, which is what we want, because the Bitcoin prices remain stable. So I feel like this will come down a little bit more here before we make some sort of retracement. As I said, back up to about the 47.5 level, which will meet and coincide with that 20 EMA. Now, Ethereum has been pumping and thumping, okay, guys? And as you can see, Ethereum is looking mighty bullish to go even more long on the higher time on these time frames. So, you know, with this doing this, Ethereum has basically retested this breakout level that it broke out. And now we're looking for a strong move towards the upside, because we're finding support on the 20. But you can see we tightly squeezed between the 20 and my box here, right? So very interesting to see that, because essentially we should be able to make a nice strong move forward. So let's go and see what's happening on the NASDAQ, because the NASDAQ, as you can see, we fell down. We found some support here on the 20 EMA, but that's on the lower time frame. We still have all the way down to here to at least get to, okay? And you can see that we're selling sell signals. So there will be a bit of selling pressure right now on the NASDAQ and the S&P. So we just have to be very ultra cautious in terms of what we're doing. We haven't got the sell signal here yet, but if another candle closes like this, we will get that sell signal. And there essentially is the sell signal. So sell the S&P, okay, is essentially what we're looking for. So if we're selling the S&P, that for me, that may mean that the dollar might just pump up a little bit. The total crypto market cap has now broken through this resistance level, and we're breaking through the 100 at the moment, which is not healthy for me. Sorry, that was my target. So we'll leave my target there. But right now, we don't actually want to be breaking out of this, because if we do, the likelihood of retesting this level, the one just over the 1.1 trillion, is high. But you see, we're coming to an oversold point on the RSI as well. Total 3 has tested this level yesterday, and we're looking for another bit of a pull up, which will probably take us up to the line, and then we might have a bit of a pull back down to the 20 before we actually break up. So very interesting charts out there today. Gold, let's go and see gold. Gold on the 1 hour is looking pretty decent. We broke out here. So we broke out of the triangle, and now we're retesting the breakout level. Okay, so that will be good. Once it pulls back a little bit more here, this will be a very good point for an entry into gold. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the trading. If you did, please smash that thumbs up for me. Really, you're helping the algorithm. Let's get this channel to 500 subscribers already, and let's go make some good, wonderful cash together there today, guys. Love you lots. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video a little bit later.